Into the magic roundabout, there's Mark. Flicks the bike round. Round and round he goes. Just got over the bike by the back brake. And all got his stroke in it. Perfect control there on the Montesa. Come on, put your hands together for this guy. Straight, complaining about the weather. Well, quick change of bike, we think, for slightly different way. Do parts of the app, obviously, on the all the way back to the front line. Body off, small on one wheel. Even scout drivers watching. Well, Jason's high chair. Off helmet on. Well, off the bike he gets. How close is Naturally, I don't think we'll win the race. We'll be back in second arena. Well, Jason just body off him and holding the top straight. Complete confidence there for me. Well, here we go, right, shocker.
Oh, that's crap.
When Craig gets a cauliflower in, we know he's being shit.
Oh, yes!
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yes. How about that? Come on. Now, whether he can do something catchment, he'll get a little bit higher. Give him a wave, give him a cheers. He comes down the arena. Hey! Third effort there from Jason.